Bonjour. Are you exhausted from carrying pain, stress, chronic condition, or the feeling that your life is simply out of balance? Do you sense that there is a wiser, a more supportive way to move forward rather than pushing through pain and feeling overwhelmed on daily basis? Hi, I am Marie-Annick For more than 30 years, I've helped women reconnect with their inner strength, allow clarity to bring relief, and create the life that they once dreamed of. My present legacy coaching focuses on the essential that reshape your well-being, your mindset, your rhythm and daily activities, your nourishment, your rest, and even the new stories that you will be creating. You will learn how to create a space where the body, mind, and spirit can reset so you can feel grounded, capable, alive again, and even heal from painful previous experiences. So if you are tired in your soul and ready for a more gentle path, I am here to walk beside you with compassion and lived wisdom. Imagine feeling clearer, lighter, energized, with a lot less pain, and more supported from within. That vision is possible. So if you are ready for coaching, I invite you to book my free 30-minute coaching session with me. Go to mariannick.com/contact and book your session with me as soon as possible. Relief is right around the corner. I look forward to speak with you.